How to bake the perfect chocolate cake. Baking a rich, moist, and delicious chocolate cake is easier than you think. Follow this simple step-by-step guide to achieve bakery-quality results at home. Ingredients for the cake: 1¾ cups all-purpose flour, 2 cups granulated sugar, 3/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 2 large eggs, 1 cup whole milk, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 1 cup boiling water. For the chocolate frosting: 1 cup unsalted butter, softened, 3 1/2 cups powdered sugar, 1/2 cup cocoa powder, 1/2 teaspoons salt, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 1/4 cup heavy cream. Instructions: Step 1. Preheat and prepare. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Celsius, 175 degrees. Grease and flour 2 9-inch round cake pans or line them with parchment paper. Step 2. Mix the dry ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. Step 3. Add the wet ingredients. Add the eggs, milk, oil, and vanilla extract to the dry mixture. Beat with a hand mixer on medium speed for 2 minutes. Step 4. Add boiling water. Slowly pour in the boiling water, mixing until the batter is smooth. The batter will be thin, but this helps make the cake moist. Step 5. Bake. Divide the batter evenly between the cake pans. Bake for 30-35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Step 6. Cool the cake. Let the cakes cool in the pans for 10 minutes, then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely before frosting. Making the chocolate frosting. 1. Beat the butter. In a bowl, beat the softened butter until creamy. 2. Add dry ingredients. Sift in the powdered sugar, cocoa powder, and salt. Mix on low speed. 3. Add vanilla and cream. Pour in vanilla extract and heavy cream, beating until fluffy and smooth. Step 7. Assemble and frost. Place 1 cake layer on a serving plate. Spread a layer of frosting on top. Place the second cake layer over it and frost the top and sides evenly. Decorate with chocolate shavings, sprinkles, or berries for an extra touch. Tips for the perfect chocolate cake. Use room temperature ingredients. This ensures a smooth batter. Don't overmix. Overmixing can make the cake dense instead of soft and fluffy. Sift the dry ingredients. This prevents lumps and gives a finer texture. Let the cake cool before frosting. Warm cake will melt the frosting. Enjoy your homemade chocolate cake. Serve with a glass of milk or coffee and enjoy the rich, chocolatey goodness. Let me know if you need variations like a vegan or gluten-free version.